Just bought this from an auction unseen. It came as part of a lot of hi-fi equipment that I bought, but it was an online auction, so I couldn't see half of what there was. I only saw like the equipment, and there's this box of tapes, and I thought, ooh, a box of tapes, wouldn't it be great if there's like loads of decent stuff in there, like. And I've had a quick look already, but I was well surprised. Look at that, all brand new tapes. How amazing is that? I mean, these ones here are the original type, you know, from like the 70s, early 80s, if memory serves, with that wrapping, you know, for a DC60. I mean, these days, they're what? I'm just going to have a look at me, some of the ones that I've got on my pile. You know, 60s these days are, well, not these days, but we're like those, just called D's. So, you know, that's quite good. Then we've got the vintage ones there. There's quite a few of them as well, isn't there? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. And then we've got like a modern variant, a B60, which I don't remember them. FE90s, which are a popular one. I give those away with my tape decks quite often. The BBC ones. I had cut those in the past before. I think they're just standards, aren't they? Yeah, standard ferrics. So there's no chromes in here yet that I've seen. Yeah, again, not chromes. Bush ones, which are basic. What's this? A Garanda cassette. Wow, I have to look that one up. What we got here? CX, I think they're standards as well. Yeah, normal positions. Yeah, I don't think we've got any chromes. Yep, all normal positions, but still, I mean, that's not bad. What we got there? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we haven't quite got 28, we've got what, 26. Okay. Aye, that's not bad though. I mean, I'm got to admit, I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah, got to admit, I'm quite pleased with that. I mean, the case is, I don't think is worth all. I mean, I can always chuck it on eBay, I suppose. But the tapes are a nice little bonus to the system that I'd bid on, which was a Yamaha stack system, which I've already processed, and obviously I'll make my money back on that. But this is nice, a nice little find there. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys, and let me know in the comments below if you'd buy something like this at random, you know, if you didn't actually see what the contents were, but if you'd still have a punt on it anyway to find out. So I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for more unboxing and random auction videos. See you later.